Hello, hi friends, welcome to Sushma Feed Fantasy. So before we start the video, please subscribe to my channel and like and share, comment. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more videos, please press the bell icon to get more videos. Thank you. I am preparing today okra lamb mince. So let's start now. So take lamb 500 grams, lamb mince. Take a bowl, add mince, now I am adding basic masala, add half tablespoon turmeric, add half tablespoon garam masala, add 2 tablespoons of salt, add 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, add chopped mint 1 tablespoon, add chopped coriander 1 tablespoon, add cashew and almond powder half tablespoon. Now I am adding onion paste, raw onion paste, 2 tablespoons of onion paste. Then mix it nicely. I am adding 1 tablespoon coriander powder. After marinate, prepare some small balls like bullet shape. Take oil drop. You prepare like a bullets like this and take okra. Take okra, cut in the middle, remove the seeds with the help of knife or a fork. Take it off slowly. Now add meatballs. And close it. Like this. Don't throw the seeds, keep it aside. Looks nice. Take a pan, add oil, 2 tablespoons of oil, spread it and add okra mince. Turn it after 5 minutes. Use fork and knife. Slowly, gently turn it. After 5 minutes, check it. After 10 minutes, I'm adding seeds, okra seeds. cook 5 minutes and turn it off the flame. Okra lamb mince is ready. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and like and share, comment. Thank you so much for watching. It's delicious. Taste is really nice.